Okay, these are some of my everyday essentials. When I walk outside the door, I bring all this stuff with me. Instead of just jamming all this stuff down the backpack, I'm going to build something that can hold them. Okay. My initial idea was to stack them in a long row. And so I took my calipers and I measured everything, and then I made a 3D printer mock-up which hold all the different things. Fishy turned out to be too wide, so I started to stack them together and try to find a good configuration for a dual layer without taking up too much space. I did some test fits to try to figure out what thing will fit. I wrote the changes that needed to be done directly on the 3D print itself, and then made some new iterations. The result was this: one main body part, a few shells that attaches to it, and a lid. Measuring device, power cord, power bank, USB wall charger, flashlight, Sharpie, Pilot G-Tech, world's best pen, compass and thermometer, small pocket knife, lighter, very loud flute, Leatherman skeletal with a broken blade, charging wires, modified USB stick. To hold everything in place, I use these small tabs to press fit the items. And to find adjustment, I use a file and I file away until the fit is perfect. After a lot more 3D printing, I ended up with these parts. In addition to my stuff, I also made a little thingy that I can wrap the paracord around, and a container of some sort that'll fit into this spot. Turn pretty cool, all items stay in place. It's quite heavy and quite large, but it's not that much real estate that are unused. In the future, I could utilize some of the negative space inside these two. I think I'll do that. I think I called it version 1 and I'll update it as I go. I'll keep it posted, so be sure to subscribe and like. Cool, see you later.